Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 136 of Building the Delorean from Back to the Future. In this issue, I am doing the same thing we've done again, but with a new big metal runner. It's not sleeper. Sleeper's a bit that goes the other way. It's track. That's what it's called. We're fitting the track to the other side of the railway bit. Look, it goes on there just like the other bit. We've got these 4 bits to attach, and then we'll have a section. And then we've just got 3 more of them to do, and 3 more of them to do, and then the train section is done. So continuing our look at what Robert Zemeckis did. He did The Walk. Yeah, I remember watching that. That was quite impressive. That was at the turret walk over the big drop, dangerous thing, but obviously it's all fake. It's all green screen. There we go. But some nice cinematography in that. I like it. Looked very good. Biff's Big Secret. If you want to know what that is, you can read all of the words. There we go. Next issue, we're back to the box, doing some more stuff with the box. Let's get this track laid. So here we are. This is what we've got. Another one of them that's going to go on there, and it's held in place on there by these chairs. I don't know why they're called chairs, but they are. What I'm going to do is the same as I did last time. I'm going to assume that the track will still slide in and out, and I'm just going to fix these in place first, and then slide the track in between them. So let's get out, what do we need? 8 of these little screws to do that. And they go in. You've seen it all before. I need the track building is going to be fairly repetitive because, well, now you've seen or will have seen this section being completed. I've literally just got to do exactly the same thing again 3 more times. So it's not the most stunning part of the build, but it does add a certain something to the display afterwards. Obviously, you need to have the wheel conversion bit done, or it's just going to not sit on the track properly. But I'm sure that will be coming along soon. Whether I use the wheel conversion, I'm not decided yet. I've not decided on a final display option. I know I prefer the normal reactor rather than the Mr. Fusion one, because that just sort of seems to be a little bit bland, a little bit boring. So I won't be using the Mr. Fusion reactor, which sort of fits with the third thing. I could have a hybrid version, couldn't I? No need to get it all correct. I could have the original reactor and the white wall wheels sitting near the train track. That's a thing. It's possible. So no decision has yet been made as to how it's going to end up being sitting on the shelf. But there we go. Right, that's one side of this tightened. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to still slide in and out from there. So I won't bore you with tightening up the other side, but it's going to look just like that. So there we have 1/4 of the train track done. Join me soon for work on the box, and then more of this again at some point in the near future. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.